Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could get one of these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer, and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Monday. Monday is coming down to the end. It's a new month, so really cool gift ideas will be coming up here in this little package. What do we have here? Oh boy, here we go. Alright, alright. Alright, there you go. What do we got here? It should be coming from... Where is this coming from? Oh, the links will be listed below and in the title. But we have one of those sling bags. It looks like it's a Vanlison sling bag backpack, shoulder bag. Oh, all right. He's always handy. He's definitely come in handy, especially now with everything being legalized. This will be a great thing to use for it. Carry your stuff in. I'll show you what how much it can hold. Oh, you can put your keys here if you got one of those clips. I think I got one somewhere. I'm gonna have to look, but I want to open this up first. Man, nice material. Maybe a knife could go through, protect you. Alrighty, sorry about that, YouTubers. I am back now. We got this coming from Vanlison or something. I got this right here. Sling bag. Performance bag. So like I said, you got these I got one of those clip things. You just gotta clip it on. Somehow. And you can have this for your keys, stuff like that, for work, at the gym. Take this with you. You can put maybe a pair of running shoes in it. What else? School notebooks. Let's take a look. Okay, we already saw this one. This was pretty deep. Deep pockets right here. Nice quality made. There we go. So you can fit cell phones, your wallets. Looks like credit cards also in here. If you guys can see, there's extra side pockets. Pretty deep. All your e-cigarettes you could have. Flashlight probably. What is this in here? Pens. Oh, pens. You could have your pens. And a calculator or whatever you're choosing. And there's another pocket down here. Dang, there's a lot of pockets in this thing. Look at that. Nice material. Really high quality sling bag right here. And then we already saw this one. Like I said, may shove. Not that. That'll go in here. You got the side. If you guys could see it. Maybe yeah, flashlight for this. I don't know what else you could shove in here. Maybe memory cards. Oh, that might get a little water damage, but could figure out something to shove in there. Extra pencils or so. Got two on the side right there. That's pretty sturdy. Nice material. What else we're missing here? Let's see what the back. Oh, side pocket. You could put a mini MacBook, tablets in here. Gaming system possibly. Nintendo Switch. Yeah, Switch should fit in there. Maybe not. Definitely cell phones. your notebooks. This would be great for your DoorDash drivers, your Uber drivers, and people that take the train. This would be perfect. Throw some socks, some boxers. But yeah, definitely, I'm going to display it a lot better in a second. There's a strap over. Doesn't feel that bad. You see a lot of basketball players having these now. I've noticed. Hold on one second. Alrighty, YouTubers, so there it is, what it looks like. The best angle I could do. But it has a nice fit and everything on this. So, especially to take it on the road, you could definitely have some extra hands to carry some stuff when you're doing your vlogs. So this is definitely the way to go. Extra battery equipment you could carry. Let's see what else. Hold on one sec. Alright, this is water resistant, so definitely really good to have. You can fit the standard tablets, iPads, iPods if you guys still have those around. All your vlogging equipment you could have. And like I said, for the other services, what I'm talking about, they could have one of these. Be perfect to carry your stuff in. For colleges, college students, this would be a great gift. Stacking stuff or something, birthday gifts, just because gift, and really cool. Definitely strong, and it's lightweight too. So let's see, maybe I could shove. I got a tablet. Hold on, let me grab a tablet. I got a standard. Got a standard one right here. Right back. Here we go. We got a little tablet like this. Gonna shove it in. I would choose. I gotta get a case for the front. Make sure you got your cases too. So I gotta just shove it in there. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. And then you can use those like slots that I showed you for like thumb drives. Right here, you can use these for like thumb drives, memories, external hard drives. You could shove in. Oh, another great thing: headphones. I'm gonna have to grab a pair of headphones. I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. Say if you got your vlogging headphones. I'm using these now. Tiger, really nice headphones. Great sound, great quality. Just shove it in there also. Should fit. Yeah, perfect. And now, okay, see this part? I think I don't think I could use these. I think I gotta use those ones with the strings that came with the phones. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab those. Dang. Alright, so if you got these, like the long stringy ones that comes with your smartphones, these would be great to use. Let me untangle this mess I have here. Alright. Alright, so you just take this part, could be the smaller one, and just only can find these really fast. So you just gotta stick it through to the other side, and on through the other side. Oh yeah. So you just feed it through, and like that. Almost right there. So let's see if you guys can see. Got headphones here. Got those. You can have those dangling, and you zip the cord in. So this is like definitely a vlogger's travel buddy. So really cool. No one's gonna rip those off of your ears. In case you got those beats, the drays. Man, really cool though. So thank you guys over at Vanlison Performance. You guys are really good. YouTubers, check them out. See what other colors they have. They have multiple colors, water resistant, multiple things you could use. Like I said, for biking, for vlogging, for gaming, you could do pretty much everything. And get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. that is it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night, and see you.